Here's a quick demo on how easy it is to make a video question set with QuestionWell. First, we are searching for a video. We can also paste a URL. Once we select it, QuestionWell will look for a transcript for that video, so it knows what's going on in the video. Then we hit save, select any other options we would like to use, such as grade level, learning outcomes, and then we generate the question set. This takes about 30 seconds, but I sped it up a little bit here. Now we have our question set, so we can explore what the QuestionWell generator made. We can hit play and it'll take us to that part of the video.
What happens when you put a golf ball in water? It sinks.
Now we can go through and select any other questions that we want to include in our question set. Once we've chosen all the questions we want to include, we can go ahead and hit Export Questions, then select QuestionWell, and this will generate the QR code or URL to use to assign the question set to our students.